So in short, I'm Ron Duzé. I'm product manager at Inno Plus, and I'm responsible for the development and the finalization of all our products and our concepts. And these constitute air scrubbers, as we will be explaining now, but we have also heat recovery systems and preconditioning and cooling for houses. In this first session, we will treat the basics of air scrubbing processes, then more about sales and technical information about our Porcus modules for the pig houses, and also our polar air scrubbers for the poultry. And after that, my colleague Sjoerd Curvers, he will take over and inform you more about the building and the installation requirements, both for modules and for built-in air scrubbers, and how to install them. And the session tomorrow will be even more technical. It's about installation of the built-in air scrubbers, and also short about how to commission it, so how to start up an installation, and short things about maintenance, what is required. So what will be content from my session? First, I will discuss air scrubbing. It's about chemical and biological processes, the general principles. Then the technology of our air scrubbing, how does it work? A short bit about a dealer quotation sheet, simple but very important on the sales process. And then I will start to our products, which is the Porcus module, the Polo air scrubber for poultry, and then a session about the built-in air scrubbers, and a short bit about the dealer package, so what documentation is available.